Hello and happy Mother's Day to everyone. I hope everyone is having an amazing Mother's Day weekend. I didn't do much. I told my kids I didn't want anything. Really, Mother's Day is every day. It's not just, I don't know, just me, and plus things are super expensive. They don't have money. So I am at Aldi. I didn't shop last week like I said. I had everything. I did that a couple of months ago and it went well. So I'm at Aldi's today, gonna pick up a few things. Me and my son did have lunch yesterday. It was really nice. I told him it's quality time. Quality time. Quality time is what I want. Nothing can beat a quality time. It could be anything. Playing cards, just sitting down and just having conversation, having lunch, having breakfast, having dinner together. I'm really not that hard to please at all. What else? I did buy a couple of items. I bought my mom's some of her favorite snacks. I bought this lady a nice little thing of flour. And I went to Home Depot. And I will be uploading this Home Depot video very soon. But let's see what we find at Aldi today. The parking lot is looking kind of scanty, which I like that. Everybody's out celebrating Mother's Day. Better for me. Let's go. I always have a hard time with this. Let's see. Oh, I did it the first time. Woohoo. I like to get some wipes. Oh, look at that. It's very slow. Yes. This was a good time to come. Alright, let's get some. I don't want to spend the whole day in here. Let's get some avocados and some pineapples. I love eating these for snacks. Gotta make sure they're all nice and not going bad. Got some bananas. They're looking mighty good. This one looks good. So I'll try to get a nice watermelon. They are looking mighty delicious. And how much are they? They're $6.49. I'm gonna try to find a big juicy grapes. Some red grapes. Some strawberries. Some blueberries. Some blackberries. Some raspberries. That's what it's looking like. These are pomegranate. Have some lemon at $3.49. This is some more delicious apples, so we're gonna grab some of these. Gotta get me some Caesar salad. They're $2.99. Gotta check the bags, making sure they're looking mighty good. What we have going on? Let's keep going. I don't see celery. I don't see celery. I see some Brussels sprouts. No celery. Ginger. Let's see how they're looking. Not looking too fresh at all. I'm gonna grab some garlic. It's over here. I had to look over here on the other side. Grab some celery. What else? Making sure I'm not missing anything. I don't want any zucchini this time. I'm going to grab some honey. Let's get some organic almond milk. I like to go for the ones in the back. Okay, I'm the one in the back this time. June. Grab a bag. Oh yeah, that's sausages. Box. See, I just want some more sardine because I made the sardine that I had from last time. We love sardine with fried dumpling at my house. I've seen these before. Spreadable cheese, gourmet, and they have different ones: peppercorn, sharp cheddar, spreadable garlic and herb. Sounds really good though. What is this one? Toasted everything. I never seen this one either. Cheese tray. Interesting. Shredded Gouda, shredded Gruyere. I like to get mozzarella. There's not in a lot of stuff in here this time. Not too much over here. Oh, I know my daughter likes this. What's this? Oh, veggie burger stuff. Meatless chicken. Vegetable stir fry. My daughter likes this, so I'm gonna grab one for her. And I have to go to Publix too. Let me go get some salmon and then that'll be it. They have the frozen kind. 2 pounds for $12. Have some pizza that looks really yummy. Cauliflower crust pizza. Interesting. Gelato. More pizza with pineapple. Is that pineapple chicken? Chicken breast. Fries. Interesting. This one says it's slightly smoked. That's new. My little thing. 21. Yeah, I'll get this one. It's not too bad. Hopefully it's under 100. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna pick up some organic tofu. Why not? Frozen dessert. Salted caramel banana babies. Interesting. They have these at Publix, buy one get one. Okay, frozen dog treats. Interesting. Caribbean frozen food bars. Nice. Trying to lose some weight. We're not trying to get any of those. They have some frozen mango. Out of coconut water. That's 2 weeks now. Come on now, Aldi. Get together with it. What are those? Oh, sparkling water with natural flavors. I don't know. I think my son will drink this. I'll get it. He drank it last time. Let's get some peppers. I have no more brown peppers left. Just one of them. I'm gonna try this grapeseed one. I normally get the olive one, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just stick with this. Let's see if my daughter likes these. She liked them last time. They're $4.39. Check your receipt at Aldi because you know how they scan the stuff so fast? I start checking my receipt now because this is like the second time they charged me twice for something I only had one of. Check your receipt, okay? Now I have to go to Publix just to pick up a couple of items. Yes, my total was below 100 and I'll let you know that in a second. Come with me at Publix. I love these. I'm at Publix turkey sausages and they're buy one get one free. Bad deal, you know, if you need green beans, squash, and green. And these are buy one get one free. Chobani Greek yogurt, the flip kind. I like the. Oh, they don't have the flavor I like. Oh man, so I may not be able to get this deal. I don't see the flavor me and my daughter likes. It's not even these. Still have them buy one get one free now. They put them 2 for $7. So I'll still get one of the veggie burgers and one of the meatballs. I like that. The bags are getting smaller and smaller. This is what I'm getting at Publix. They didn't have the yogurt that I wanted, so we're just gonna get these 4 items and that's it. Okay, so the total came to $136.57 after Publix, and I stopped at one more store. So the budget is $140, so I'm $136.57. I have no money left to buy anything else, not even the coupon. But that is it. Okay, thank God I have everything that I need. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.